got a new iPad. It has more storage, so that also means longer videos. My friend, when she used to online date, she met someone who she found really cute, but he didn't like her. So, she was really upset about that. And then a couple years later, we found his account, and he was really ugly. I'm his bodyguard. Oh, I'm still getting used to this. He just died because he did sit down. Oh my god, this thing. Rephrase. Oh god, he was angry. I'm not reviving you. Let's get to the point. Yeah, you get to the point. Hurry up. So many people just left. Oh my god. Me and Athena used to have a crush on this guy for some reason. Ronald.
Save on yogurt.
But how will we get to the plane? Just have to check out the recording. Follow me. I'm not. I'm staying here. Bye.
Welcome to the military cave.
Audiobook.
Okay.
Listen now.
Sorry for the advert. I could choose this one.
Come on, it's gonna be fucking hard.
I just realised I can't have it playing because I still need you guys to like hear me speaking. Dang it. I could get this part, the nozzles. Oh, that guy's already off. There's no music, it's kind of depressing. No! Don't, oh dang it. It's just me and David. David there.
Let's go. That music is so cute. I just cringed at myself. Look at me.
I almost forgot that's Pilot Club. Why am I talking for him? I'm not leaving without my teddy. Oh my god. Does he have my teddy? Teddy isn't ready. No, 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 I need my teddy! I'm freaking out. No! Stop finding my teddy. Teddy not ready. Where am I? Just, oh, I thought I was about to squish that guy. Yes! I got teddy. Bananas. Yum. Yummy. Then give us like Primal Monster or something. That's more energy. No. What? It's nighttime and it looks like we are inside a storm. Ah! Oh no. I'm gonna die. I miss Fudushukaka. Yeah, it does, David. David did. Okay. Wait, out there? What's he doing? Ah! Oh my god! He is. I see. What is that? That's him. I didn't get it on video, but he just climbed up there magically. Ah! I love it because what the hell is he doing? Okay, we snuck through the back of the kidnapped plane and we are in. Oh no! I don't want to be here. I don't have permission. I didn't. He didn't ask for permission. He kidnapped me. Journal did. Hammer. Yeah, I did. Am I that fat? Yes. Me. Me. Yes. I will do it. Ronald, open the door. Why do I always sound like I'm in pain? We can work this out. Teddy. Ronald, let the captain go. Listen to what I'm trying to say. What is wrong? What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this. Oh, so you decided, like, had a pain. I don't really know. You can have Teddy. We could, Ronald, you don't have to do this. We can be your friends. We can save you. The robots might be against you. No. Yes, we'll be your friends because you are a good person inside. It's never too late to do things right, Ronald. Let's get out of this one together. Yay! Oh my god. Blech. Ronald, are you okay? No! Move out the way. Yeah, so let me out. Please. Oh, crap. Where's the parachute? Now let's get out. But General, what about you? No, not what about you. Let me out. We're leaving you here, dude. Don't say Ronald. Don't listen to what I'm saying. We're going. Okay, I'm kind of sad. Oh my god. No! He's forcing us to go through this pain. The back emergency door is open. We need to get... David did. I can't believe it. David did is dead. Dear. I'm going down. Teddy. I love encouraging people to jump. I don't actually do that, that's a joke. Hello everyone! I know I'm pretty great, I just saved the plane and everyone here. Hello! I know everyone loves me. I know who you are, but hi! Oh yeah, that's our original plane. You're welcome. Hey Captain, you made it. But where is General Poncho? No! When I first played this game, I actually cried because General Poncho is like really wholesome. Aww. I won. Thanks for watching.